I'm from Devon in the UK. I was attracted to come to this course after seeing it on some social media and online. For me, having dipped my toe in the digital side and explored going from manual implant placements where there was a degree of not luck but unpredictability. With this system, you've planned it all in advance. You reduce the chance of error and you've rehearsed the surgery well. So for me, that makes for a calm and relaxed clinician, relaxed patient and a successful outcome. James is very personable, he filled me with confidence, he inspired me, and I'm comfortable that his knowledge and mentoring support will help me get to the next level of my training. Very friendly team, excellent location, fantastic setup, very professional and great catering.